Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of budget-friendly air fryers. These countertop heroes promise crispy fries and healthy fried favorites without the guilt of deep frying. But with so many options under $70, how do you choose the right one? Number 1. GoWISE USA 1700-watt 5.8-QT 8-in-1 digital air fryer. The GoWISE is a powerhouse for the price. With a large 5.8 quart capacity, it's perfect for families or those who love to batch cook. The digital controls are intuitive, and the 8 presets take the guesswork out of cooking everything from fries to chicken wings. Plus, it comes with a recipe book filled with air fryer inspiration. The GoWISE delivered on its crispy promises. Fries came out golden brown and delicious, and the wings had that perfect balance of juicy meat and crispy skin. The only downside, the large size might be a bit much for smaller kitchens. Number 2. Gourmia 4QT digital air fryer with guided cooking. This sleek stainless steel air fryer may be smaller than the GoWISE, but it packs a punch. The 4-quart capacity is still decent, and the digital display with guided cooking takes the guesswork out of the process. It even reminds you to shake your food halfway through for even cooking. The Gourmia was great for smaller meals and single servings. The guided cooking feature was a nice touch, especially for air fryer newbies. However, the capacity might be limiting for larger families. Number 3. CHEFMAN Small Air Fryer Healthy Cooking. Looking for something super compact? The CHEFMAN lives up to its name. Its 3.6 quart capacity makes it perfect for tiny kitchens or dorm rooms. The user-friendly digital screen and dishwasher-safe basket make it a breeze to use and clean. The CHEFMAN did a great job for its size. It's perfect for whipping up a single serving of fries or reheating leftovers. However, keep in mind the limited capacity. It's not ideal for large families or cooking for a crowd. Number 4. Amazon Basics 3.2 quart compact multifunctional digital air fryer. Here's another contender for the compact air fryer crown. The Amazon Basics model offers a variety of functions beyond air frying, like roasting and baking. It's a good option if you're looking for a multifunctional appliance without breaking the bank. The Amazon Basics air fryer offered good value for the price. While it wasn't quite as powerful as some of the other options, it did a decent job of air frying and roasting. Just don't expect restaurant-quality crispy results. Number 5. Air Fryer 5-quart digital display air fryer toaster oven combo. This last one bends the under $70 rule a bit, but it offers an interesting twist. It's a combination air fryer and toaster oven, giving you more cooking options in one appliance. The 5-quart capacity is decent, and the digital display makes for easy control. While this combo unit offers versatility, it might be a bit bulky for some countertops. The air frying function worked well, but the toaster oven capabilities weren't quite as efficient as a dedicated toaster oven.